UK English versus US English. Aeroplane, airplane, biscuit, cookie, aluminium, aluminum, analog, analog, behavior, behavior, bonnet, car, hood, car park, parking lot, caravan, trailer, center, center, check, check, chips, fries, crisps, potato chips, color, color, counselor, counselor, defense, defense, dialed, dialed, draft, draft, dustbin, garbage can, favorite, favorite, flat, apartment, football, soccer, garden, yard, gray, gray, holiday, vacation, jewelry, jewelry, jumper, sweater, labor, labor, license, license, lift, elevator, lorry, truck, maths, math, meter, meter, motorway, highway, mum, mom, nappy, diaper, neighbor, neighbor, number plate, license plate, pavement, sidewalk, petrol, gasoline, post, mail, postcode, zip code, program, program, pub, bar, pushchair, stroller, rubbish, trash, sledge, sled, solicitor, attorney, torch, flashlight, aubergine, eggplant, candy floss, cotton candy, caravan site, trailer park, cash machine, ATM, chemist, pharmacy, cinema, movie theater, cooker, stove, current account, checking account, dressing gown, bathrobe, estate agent, realtor, flyover, overpass, full stop, period, ground floor, first floor, headmaster, principal, hire, rent, ice lolly, popsicle, indicator, blinker, interval, intermission, lollipop man, crossing guard, mobile, cell phone, modeling, modeling, petrol station, gas station, postman, mailman, pram, baby carriage, queue, line, ring up, call, shop assistant, sales clerk, skirting board, baseboard, spanner, wrench, sweets, candy, tap, faucet, telly, TV, timetable, schedule, trainers, sneakers, trousers, pants, underground, subway, vest, undershirt, waistcoat, vest, windscreen, windshield, zebra crossing, crosswalk, zip, zipper, rubber, eraser,